friends, for this week's tutorial, we're going to work on taking the hop out or hopping as little as possible. Basically the opposite of what we did last week. So it's all going to be about compression and bringing the thighs to the chest. So let's start out in a forward fold. And if you can't touch the floor, bend your knees enough so that you can palm the floor. Lean forward and focus on compressing the thighs to the chest. If you can palm the floor with the legs straight, same idea, lean forward, maybe just to the very tips of the big toes, trying to bring the thighs to the chest and focusing on that compression. If you want to take it up a notch, we'll add a little bit of a hop, but really try to focus on the lean. So starting out with my thighs to my chest, knees bent on the left side of the mat, I'm going to plant my hands on the mat, lean the weight into the hands, stack the shoulders on top of the wrist, take the legs over to the opposite side of the mat. Just finding a little lean, a little tiny hop, and focusing on that compression of thighs to the chest. So there's a lot of different ways to work on press. That's just one. It's kind of fun and it's all about compression. If you like the video, hit the like, share the love. Namaste.